Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and recipes to keep you feeling your best. Want to kickstart your day with a nutritious bang? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and starting it right can set the tone for the rest of your day. I've got 10 mouthwatering breakfasts that'll fuel you up and keep you feeling great. These recipes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to give you the energy you need. First up, we have oatmeal with fresh fruit. This classic breakfast is a staple for a reason. Cook some rolled oats to creamy perfection and top them with your favorite fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. You can even add a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. It's a cozy and heart-healthy choice that's perfect for those chilly mornings. Next, try a Greek yogurt parfait. This one is not only tasty but also visually appealing. Layer thick Greek yogurt with crunchy granola and mixed berries. You can also add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of chia seeds for added texture and nutrition. This one's packed with protein and oh so satisfying. It's perfect for a quick breakfast or even a mid-morning snack. Avocado toast is always a winner. It's trendy, delicious, and incredibly easy to make. Spread ripe avocado on whole grain toast, add a poached egg, and season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for a zesty kick. It's simple, but so delicious. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats and protein to keep you full longer. How about a smoothie bowl? This is a fun and colorful way to enjoy your fruits and veggies. Blend your favorite fruits with some spinach or kale. You can use a mix of berries, bananas, and even a scoop of protein powder if you like. Pour it into a bowl and top with seeds, nuts, and sliced fruit. The possibilities are endless, and you can get creative with your toppings. A feast for the eyes and the body. It's a great way to start your day with a burst of vitamins and minerals. Chia seed pudding is perfect if you prep the night before. It's a time saver for busy mornings. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and a sweetener of your choice. You can also add a splash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Let it sit overnight and top with fruits in the morning. Easy and nutritious. It's like having dessert for breakfast. Egg and veggie scramble, anyone? This is a great way to get your veggies in early. Scramble eggs with fresh spinach, juicy tomatoes, and colorful bell peppers. You can also add mushrooms or onions if you like. Serve with whole grain toast or a side of fruit. It's a veggie-packed delight that's both filling and nutritious. For something hearty, try a quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is a great source of protein and fiber. Cook quinoa and top it with almond milk, nuts, and fresh fruit. It's a protein powerhouse that will keep you energized throughout the morning. Nut butter banana toast is a classic. It's quick, easy, and always a hit. Spread almond or peanut butter on whole grain toast, add banana slices, and sprinkle with cinnamon. You can also add a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. It's quick, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need something fast and filling. Cottage cheese with pineapple is another protein-rich option. It's creamy, refreshing, and super easy to prepare. Serve cottage cheese topped with pineapple or your favorite fruit. It's a great way to get some protein and calcium in the morning. Last but not least, the breakfast burrito. This is a portable, tasty way to start your day. Fill a whole grain tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, salsa, and avocado. You can also add some cheese or hot sauce if you like. It's a portable, tasty way to start your day. There you have it. 10 nutritious breakfasts to start your day right. Mix and match them to keep things exciting and delicious. You can try a different one each day, or combine a few for a breakfast feast. Stay healthy, everyone. Remember, a good breakfast fuels your body and mind for the day ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more healthy tips and recipes.